My gosh, the FBI is coming. Anyway, wait, I'm so sorry. I can't read the comments earlier. Let me just read here in the laptop. Send me a screen of the Korean ingredients and I can translate. Oh, okay, I will be taking pictures of these. And then this one is Lineage. Let me just try. Oh my, it smells good. So let me try it here. Wow! It's a lip steeping mask. It's so good. See, my lips are like shining now. It looks like I put like a lipstick, but it's just the steeping mask. Lip steeping mask. Lip steeping. Lip sleeping mask. Wow, so cute. Yeah, it's arigato, it's back now. And there we go. I put lip sleeping mask on my lips. It's now nice. Nice. Okay, so my party. Sorry, Love PSK. I was not able to say goodbye properly to Love PSK. I hope you have a very nice night. Arigato. Good night. Rest well. Okay, so I put here why Breaking Bad is one of the best TV shows. I put it here in my journal. So, great characters and great character development. Who's your favorite Breaking Bad character, by the way? I'm curious. Who's your favorite? I think my favorite will be like someone that you hate. My favorite character is someone that you hate. Or have you guys watched Breaking Bad yet? So if you haven't, please watch. I really recommend it. 10 out of 10. Great show. Oh no, Scientishan, you haven't? It's a really great show. I promise you, it's very good show. So it's nice that I haven't like spoiled anything or said anything very spoilery. So it's nice that I haven't told you anything about any characters. I just told you about some effects, some materials, but you wouldn't know who's gonna get those materials. Get him. I know the plot, characters, etc. Oh, Akachi Yosor, I just know it. You guys haven't. You can watch it. It's a very great show. I mean, I swear your time will not be wasted. It's a really good show. So I know how everything turns out. Like I watch it. It's the same. I think I have the same feeling with Harry Potter. I know the characters. I know the plot, and yeah, I know who's gonna die. I know what the ending. So even though I haven't like read or watch like the whole series. So yeah, great characters, very interesting character development because we have this teacher, chemistry teacher that is ailing. He has lung cancer. So he wants to provide the best for his family. So he has this idea of synthesizing meth because he's a chemistry teacher, so he can synthesize like 99% pure meth, and purity in organic chemistry is very important. You know, when I synthesize substances, my purity is like, I don't know, like 70%. 70%. Yeah, it's a failure. It's a very fail. Yeah, when I synthesize. So it's actually as versus other people, my synthesis percent is actually higher than other people. So it's actually good. It's better than other people's synthesis purity, but at the same time it's bad because ACS, American Chemical Society, only accepts publication with like 95% or 96% or higher. So yeah, even normal chemists can make 100% pure or 90% pure substances. So purity is very important because purity determines if there are like other substances in your meth or like other impurities like contaminants. So yeah, if there's no contaminant, then it hits better. It hits better. Okay, next is the dialogue. I think the dialogue here is not very, it's very realistic dialogue. I think it's not like very overblown dialogue or over how do I explain it? It's the dialogue or the way characters react to a scenario is very explainable. I mean, it's very very reasonable. If this character reacts to this person doing synthesizing meth, especially the wife, okay? So, you would know her reaction is just justified because why would you expect your husband to synthesize meth even if it's for the good of the family? Yeah, the brother-in-law or Walter White's brother-in-law, the protagonist's brother-in-law is actually a DEA agent. So it's very very risky. So you would know why the characters are doing this and that and doing this and that, doing this and that. It has, as I told here that it has foreshadowing. I don't know why. Why did I write foreshadowing? They're like very nice cinematography, very very nice lighting, angles, cinematography. So I think that's what I meant by foreshadowing. If something's gonna happen, you would expect it, but the way that it is like portrayed in the series, it's something that you wouldn't expect. So it's something like expecting, like, it's not like a plot twist or something. Very it's very shocking when Walter White does something. So yeah, that's Walter White's action are very very nice. Very nice for a character that is like that has cancer, and you see him progress every episode into this badass character. So very nice character development. Chemistry checks out. So that's my last thing because I think they have consulted professors, doctors, chemists for the show so that it will be like realistic and believable. Though sometimes like their setups are not 100% like 100% laboratory or met super lab, but we don't know what a met super lab would look like. So maybe it's to divert people's people's attention so that they can copy it like as is. So that people cannot easily make a meth super lab. So yep, it's a very very that's a wrap. That's a wrap. My favorite character, by the way, in the show is actually the DEA agent, which is a popo popo, kind of like a police. So yeah, my favorite character is Hank because he tries to chase off these drug dealers, tries to arrest bad people who's putting drugs into the society and making crimes spike. Drugs make crime spike. So please do not take drugs. Please do not take drugs because you're gonna be dependent on it, and if you can't function well without it, and then your life is gonna spiral into oblivion if you do that. And detox is also hard, and rehab is also expensive. So please please do not. Yes, this is end of stream. My advisory for everyone, public advisory for everyone: do not, for the love of God, do drugs. Okay, appreciate science and appreciate lawful stuff. Lawful, abide by the law. Okay, do not cross the law. Okay, just 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 be be successful without resorting to violence and to unlawful acts. If you are watching my live streams, I hope you guys have very very high dreams that you will achieve in the future. Let's take small steps into achieving those dreams. I know you guys are very hardworking and very smart and very beautiful people with a good heart. So I hope you guys learn a thing or two from this live, especially from my trivias. I think the trivias are very nice. Maybe look into like the rising thingy, like association thingy, and then other chemistry stuff. So yep, I hope you guys enjoyed today's live. Synthesize synthetic division sa Kachi. Yep. Maybe I'll stick to science or math life. I really like talking about math and science, especially if there's like people listening and people who can correct me. Thank you, Scientician, for correcting my mistake earlier. Boron is not a halogen. Boron is a semi-metal, as well as silicon. And the others on that diagonal. The halogens are Facalbriate. Facalbriate. Okay, so thank you so much for watching and correcting me. Thank you, Akachi Yosoro. I really appreciate you dropping by every week for my live streams. You can suggest live streams on my Twitter so that we could discuss topics that are interesting to both of us. Both of us. So I really, really happy to see you guys here. I hope you guys have an amazing night. I hope you have guys a nice delicious dinner and have very sweet nights, sweet dreams. Antonio, arigato gozaimasu for watching this live. It's now time to synthesize. Just kidding. Love you all. Bye bye. Matane. Bye bye.